XRP to $500? Cathy Wood says you need to buy $1,000 XRP now. Ripple XRP news today. You guys might know who Cathy Wood is, mainly in the context of Bitcoin. Cathy and ARK are huge Bitcoin fans, which is pretty evident, but things are changing now. Cathy Wood has recently been sharing her thoughts about XRP and why she believes that you should buy at least $1,000 worth of XRP right now. Hey guys, glad to have you back. For today's video, we have lots of juicy news for you, which is mostly about Ripple's XRP. We'll talk about the latest news, trends, and market predictions about XRP. Moreover, we'll discuss the XRP's price analysis and the burning question of whether or not XRP is a good investment. Before diving into the video, if you love money and crypto, like the video and subscribe to the channel to watch more such videos. So, without further ado, let's get into the video, shall we?
You want to win an iPhone 12, maybe a MacBook Pro? How about $500 cash? You decide. All you have to do is comment the secret hidden message somewhere in this video and leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel so we can keep affording these giveaways.
The B-Word Conference is an event hosted by the Crypto Council and part sponsored by ARK Invest, mainly for innovation. The crypto conference held recently looked at Bitcoin and other main altcoins, including Ethereum and XRP. Among the most noteworthy people were Steve Lee, Cathy Wood, Elon Musk, CEO of Tesla and chief engineer of SpaceX, and Jack Dorsey, CEO of Twitter and Square. These experts shared their thoughts and opinions regarding different cryptocurrencies in the panel discussion. Three experts mostly talked about Bitcoin, its appeal, use, and the environmental impacts of it. Moreover, they talked about the essence of crypto. Despite receiving a lot of criticism from the most popular people, such as Elon Musk, about Bitcoin's harmful ecological concerns, Cathy Wood, being biased towards the asset, defended it, saying that she considers it environmentally mindful. She said that Bitcoin is the only best option when it comes to ESG factors. ESG factors are the environmental, social, and governance factors that are to be kept in mind before making an investment. According to TRG, Ripple's XRP is the most environmentally friendly cryptocurrency out there because of its transparency and ability to allow economic empowerment around the globe. XRP is pre-mined and also uses a very small amount of energy consumption for each transaction that is somewhat close to 0.0079 kilowatt per power according to the TRG data centers. It is obvious that it is very less as compared to Bitcoin. On the bright side, it is being said that in the near future, Bitcoin might become free of carbon emissions, as a team of developers is working on making the mining switch to renewable energy sources. For now, XRP could be Wood's best choice. As a proof-of-work blockchain, Ripple has been consistently claiming that it is more energy efficient than all other blockchains. Moving on to the question that you all are here for. What did Cathy Wood say about XRP, Bitcoin, and other altcoins in general? In addition, will she be planning to invest in XRP in the near future as it has the least environmental impact? Moreover, for what possible reason did she suggest people to buy $1,000 worth of XRP now? What's going on in her mind? Before that, let's take a look at the CoinMarketCap.com chart to get an idea of what's going on with XRP. Would it be fair to consider that XRP prices will show strength after it crossed the reversal zone ranging from 0.7394 to 0.7593, which isn't the day's all-time high as the price rose to $0.7753 at 354 UTC. Now the question is, will it show a pullback? On the other hand, will there be a retest of the 60 Fibonacci retracement level of $0.7394? Even though there's currently a bullish sentiment being exhibited in the XRP market, investors should brace themselves for a decrease that breaches below 73 cents that will invalidate the ongoing bullish narrative. A move of this kind may reveal reveal a bearish tendency that might drive XRP below the 70 cents level, where its market capitalization would have reached more than $30 billion. In the last 24 hours, the price of XRP has been swinging around 0.7394 to 0.7753. Considering the recent developments in the cryptocurrency market, Ripple's XRP has gained a positive bias. Other factors include Amazon's announcement that they would be integrating cryptocurrency payments into their platform. The Ripple coin also gained attention because the crypto market turned bullish now that the Bitcoin price has been on a rise. Getting back to the topic, Cathy Wood was particularly unknown up until 2020, but for some reason it didn't take long for her to become a top-tier investor. Her ARK Invest trade funds nearly doubled last year, despite the fact that there was some turbulence concerning her ARK Innovation Exchange traded fund. Up until now, many investors still see Cathy Wood as a growth industry, as she has managed a higher than average growth rate with an eye on the trends that can help shape high growth investments for the probable future. She believes that innovation is a reoccurring pattern in what she does, and Bitcoin, along with some other famous cryptos such as XRP and Ethereum, are changing the way conventional money works, while also changing the way people view money. ARK Investment made a move at the end of June that could probably bring cryptocurrency in the mainstream, and a lot of experts believe that she has what it takes to be successful where so many others have failed. As we know that the ARK Invest company has announced about their purchase of shares in a bunch of companies, among which Coinbase is one of the most known and relevant exchange when it comes to cryptocurrency. They likewise have a lot of other plans for the successful investment holding to stay in the games against others and set records in investment outcomes. Now, would Cathy be interested in stocking up on XRP as other billionaires are in the near future or ever? This is something we are all going to have to wait and see in the future. In the financial sector, institutional investors like ARK Investment bring about a large amount of capital in the market and aid companies and industries grow at a faster rate in terms of stock value. In the past few years, many institutional investors have entered the cryptocurrency space. They primarily began with buying the first and the most mainstream crypto, Bitcoin, and a bunch of other valuable digital assets. The momentum continued by investing in crypto startup or buying stocks on cryptocurrency-based companies. As we have said before, ARK Invest is one of the most dynamic institutional investors in the crypto market, and the company is heard to have recently acquired nearly $118 million of Coinbase shares. In the ARK Fintech Innovation ETF, investments are mostly made in the tech-based firms. Square, Zillow, Pinterest, PayPal, and Alibaba are some of the mainstream fintech companies that ARK Invest has invested in, according to the reports. The fact that this ETF is being traded shows that the executives are very interested in the crypto-based companies as well. She is known for her bold predictions and decisions. According to Cathy Wood, Tesla has the potential to reach a $4,000 stock price. The crypto enthusiast and experts have always appreciated her bold predictions. She further predicted that Bitcoin would necessarily reach an over-generous price of $500,000. In an interview back in November 2020, Cathy explained how a limited supply of Bitcoin would affect its price. For someone who knows and understands crypto, it is pretty clear how a finite supply would in turn increase the value and price of the asset, whereas an unlimited supply isn't necessarily going to make the price increase to an exaggerated level. Cathy Wood, a macroeconomist with a background in Bitcoin, explained how the cryptocurrency's value is based on its finite supply. As more trading applications are built on top of the Bitcoin blockchain, she is certain that more value will play a more prominent role. For now, Bitcoin is being used for high-value exchanges that serve a very important function. Art considers that a hedge against confiscation of wealth is Bitcoin's biggest appeal. Elon Musk has a different point of view, though, and even though Bitcoin has a lot of real-world advantages and functions, it is just not enough to be the world's monetary system on its own. Cathy Wood said that with a second layer, it possibly could in the future. Following this discussion, Elon Musk, Cathy Wood, and Jack Dorsey also talked about the potential solutions for increasing Bitcoin's industry compatibility with energy targets that are renewable based on the way in which a second layer is integrated, and that's where XRP jumps in. Now, is it possible that Wood and others consider XRP to be the possible solution? We believe that it is the ideal solution, as XRP is the most environment-friendly crypto available. XRP's sustainability features can help you decide if you want to invest in it. We firmly believe that Cathy would soon realize XRP's worth. At that time, XRP is surely going to reach $50. It was recently reported that Ripple's XRP sales had increased by nearly double to $150 million in the first quarter of 2021. These are a few solid indications that show XRP's potential and why you should invest your hard-earned $1,000 in XRP now. We expect XRP to continue shaping the crypto industry positively and in turn make more and more people join the community. It has a reputation of being sustainable. That said, this is it for today's video. If you want to continue to know about XRP, we have more videos waiting for you on our channel to check out. We hope that our video was helpful for you regarding your cryptocurrency concerns and questions. Tell us in the comments section if you would consider investing $1,000 in XRP. Also, tell us what you want to see next. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.